going to do you a very quick demonstration of the importance of having leather protected with our leather protection cream. Obviously this is our leather cleaner, and we're just going to draw a pen on here and then on the opposite side here, which has no protection. As you can clearly see, we've done a lot on there already demonstrating to people. So if we were to draw on here, as you can clearly see, it's difficult to write on it anyway in the first place, and then we'll draw on there as well, and we'll see which is easiest to remove. So we've got the leather cleaner. We're just going to squirt a small amount onto the terry towel, and we're going to wipe that over the surface, and as you can clearly see, it removes the pen ink with ease. That's because it's actually protected, you know, with the Leather Repair Company's protection system. So there you go, that's all obviously disappeared and gone, as you can clearly see. So now we will actually try to remove the pen on the opposite side, which has no protection on it. And as you can clearly see, no matter how much I scrub, it's breaking it down slightly, but the problem you're going to get is you're going to end up damaging it. So if we sort of rub here a lot harder to try to see if we can remove it, as you can clearly see, you're actually getting all the colour loss coming off now, and it's damaging the leather here, and it's just spreading that all around. So you're not actually going to remove that, and it's going to damage the coating. We'll try another area and just see how we get on. I mean, we're really scrubbing hard on here, and as you can see on the other side, we hardly scrubbed on it, and we're now literally damaging the leather and removing the grain. As you can see, it's still not coming off, and you've actually got colour on here now, colour loss of the cream coming off onto the cloth. So it's imperative. Protection for your leather is essential. Very affordable products, probably the best in the world. To buy them, go to our website, www.shop.leatherrepaircompany.com. Thank you.